So one of the beautiful things about being as BETT is that you have some of the leaders of different product categories, and we're here with Min. Min, so excited to have you. You know, you and your team, you talk to teachers, you're in classrooms, and you have access to the pains that educators go through, and because of those pains, you create these incredible products and you iterate on our software. So I'd love for you to tell folks, you know, what are some of these themes that you've noticed that now your teams are busily working to try to address pains in this coming year?
Yeah, absolutely, Giancarlo. I think there are three key themes. It's accessibility, integrations, and then it's all about the content.
All right, so there we go. So, and I think your team has already created some features already. We're going to get a chance to see some of these new features. Are you sharing some of these new features here at BETT?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, so we're going to get Min to share some of these features. So stay tuned, watch the next videos, because Min's going to show you what's new with Lumio at Smart.